go. Awesome. And live should be going. Perfect. Alright, so hope everybody's doing great. Good morning. Welcome. Bon matin. Bienvenue. Donc, si c'est votre première fois sur le stream, donc bienvenue à vous. Donc, on va avoir une session de trading en direct, donc en français et en anglais. Donc, je vais passer du français à l'anglais, de l'anglais en français. Donc, inquiétez-vous pas, vous devriez rien manquer. Je vais essayer de traduire le plus possible. So, welcome if it's your first time here. This is a Franglish. Oh, please, guys, when coming on Zoom, please mute yourself. Alright, so look like I'm gonna have to mute everyone because people doesn't know how to use Zoom in 2021. So let's do this here. There we go. Alright. So welcome. So welcome if it's your first time here. This is a Franglish session. So basically I'm gonna be bouncing from French to English and English to French, so don't worry. I'm going to be trying to translating pretty much everything, so you're not going to be missing anything here. Alright, so first thing first, let's get started in this session here. Alright, so perfect. So this is good. Alright, so good morning on YouTube. Morning, Sasha. Managed to catch some nice sales from 147, 125, 30-minute break of low. That support creation and break really is so powerful. Yeah, that's good, man. Good job, Shane. Bonjour, Sacha. Commentaire sur mon trade. Je le trouve qu'il était un peu risqué, mais il a été gagnant. Let's take a look at this chart before doing the breakdowns. So this is coming from Kenny. Alright, so that was GJ 15 minutes. Wait for the candle to close. Close to position, let the runner run. Also, okay, so you waited for that retest. Yeah, that's good, man. Solid. For me, it was a small candle here. So for me, it was not a super strong support. So if I would have entered there, I'll probably enter like with a smaller risk, smaller risk. Sorry, because I mean it's kind of a doji, two doji back to back, so it's uncertain, right? But you know it's pretty good. It played out, but that would be my play. I would probably enter with a smaller risk. Had two great sales today on GJ. Patient, was on point and executed. I'll just watch stream today. Keep learning. Thanks for all the hard work, Sasha. Thank you very much, Brian. Thank you. All right, so now let's do the top-down analysis. All right, so. All right. Let's do this here. Alright. Perfect. Ok, starting with the monthly. Ok, donc on va commencer avec le mois. Alright, starting with the monthly here. So looking at this, I mean we're mainly bullish, right? I mean, big candle. So my target yesterday was actually to fill that monthly wick. I mean, not only yesterday, but you know, for the week. The goal was to fill up this wick here on the left, right? So, and we are almost there. So, I think there's still room there to the upside. We actually created a new high now, so we'll see how it goes. But at one point, price gonna have to come down to push back up again. So nothing much to say on the monthly right now. Donc si on regarde le chart du mois, on se rend compte que on est très bullish ici. On a un changement de trend et l'objectif était de remplir cette mèche-là ici. Okay? Donc cette mèche-là était l'objectif de le remplir et on a déjà fait une très belle job ici. Il en reste un petit peu Mais je crois que ça va se faire probablement d'ici la fin de la semaine. Alright, so let's go to the weekly now. So looking at weekly right now, I mean, we're fully bullish again. I mean, looking at the weekly here, we got that wick fill also, like I was talking about. And the thing with the weekly is this candle has no wick at the bottom yet. So are we coming down to create the bottom wick, or price is just too strong to the upside, you know? So that's the thing we gotta take a look at. Donc si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, le prix est très 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 bullish. Et puis on a toujours évidemment cette mèche-là à remplir à la gauche. Ce qui est intéressant par contre, c'est que cette chandelle-là sur le weekly a aucune mèche en bas. C'est-à-dire que la semaine a commencé, puis boom, ça a explosé vers le haut, il n'y a eu aucune mèche de créer. C'est-à-dire que le pouvoir des acheteurs est vraiment très fort présentement. Donc, est-ce qu'on est en train de descendre pour revenir former une mèche en bas? Ça me surprendrait. So, it would really surprise me that all week long from now is going to turn bearish to create the bottom wick, but you know what? Anything's possible, but it would be kind of crazy, you know? Alright, so let's see here on the daily. Alright, so looking at the daily right now, I mean, we tapped into like 250, which is a QP that often we're going to see a reversal called the overshot. So that's exactly what's happening. Got rejected at 250, and now we've just been melting now on that daily. So rejected to the upside, and now coming back down. So we gotta see how this candle is gonna turn out. But if it starts flipping bearish, we might be creating resistance here. Come down maybe for 1 or 2 days and create support and push back up again. So that's probably something I'm gonna be looking at. Donc il y a peut-être si on regarde ici sur le journalier, on voit que cette chandelle-là est venue taper 250 QP. Généralement, on va voir beaucoup des renversements autour de 250. Ce qu'on appelle en anglais un overshot, ça veut dire qu'on va créer une résistance ici puis on va descendre. Okay? Si on regarde sur les plus petits time frames, c'est probablement ce qui est arrivé. Maintenant, si on regarde sur cette journalier-là, on a eu une grosse réjection, puis là, on pousse par en bas. Si jamais cette chandelle-là tourne bearish, ça veut dire qu'on va être en train de former une résistance en journalier. Donc, je peux m'attendre à ce que le prix continue vers le bas, crée un support pour les 2-3 prochains jours, pour après ça repousser vers le haut. Donc, ça serait une très forte possibilité. Alright, so looking at 4 hours now. Alright, so looking at 4 hours, I mean, we were ranging here and finally price broke, pushed up, create resistance here, now coming down. So are we coming down to create a support to push back up again? So that's what we gotta wait. I'm going to be looking for sell under the zone, but not before. Donc personnellement, si je regarde le 4 heures, on voit que le prix, consolidé ici un petit peu, a brisé puis poussé vers le haut, créé sa résistance et maintenant est en train de descendre plus bas. Est-ce qu'on descend plus bas pour former un support pour continuer vers le haut, ou si on va briser ce support-là? Si on brise ce support-là, évidemment, qu'on va regarder pour des ventes, mais jusqu'à date, je vais regarder pour des achats. Parce qu'évidemment, comme vous voyez, la tendance est à la hausse. Alright, so let's go to the 1 hour. So looking at 1 hour, as you see, I mean, price was, playing in that range for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hours, 14 hours played in that range. Finally, yesterday during Asian session, which is super rare, Asian session at volume, finally this candle broke and pushed the price up. So that was pretty good. Create resistance now and coming down. So we gotta wait and see now. Alright. Donc si on regarde sur le chandelier d'une heure, sur le chart de 1 heure, donc on se rend compte que le prix consolidait comme on a vu sur le 4 heures. Le prix pour à peu près 14 heures et le prix a finalement brisé et poussé le prix vers le haut, formé sa résistance, pousse vers le bas et là, on attend de voir qu'est-ce qui va se passer avec cette chandelle. Cette chandelle-là qui est 5 heures. Donc, on doit voir cette chandelle-là où elle va fermer. Euh, donc, ouais, voyons voir. Alright, looking at 30 minutes now. So looking at 30 minutes, same idea of the 1 hour. So I'm not going to repeat everything here, but same concept as you see. What I was looking here, so I actually placed my fibs here just to, from the last push, from the down to the up. And I was looking at the golden zone here. So golden zone got broken, but that orange line is that safety net, which is the 764. So I'm waiting to see if this 1 hour is going to respect that safety net. So I'm just waiting for that. If we create a support around here, I think that can be good for continuation to the upside. And if we break under this, under 146,400, I'm going to be looking for sells, right? Donc si on regarde sur le 30 minutes, c'est la même idée que le 1 heure, donc je ne vais pas tout répéter. Donc même concept ici. Ce que j'ai fait par contre sur le 1 heure, c'est que j'ai placé mon FIB, donc j'ai placé de haut en bas, excuse-moi, de bas en haut. Et ici, ça m'a donné ma zone de réjection entre le 51 et le 618. La ligne orange qui est ici, c'est mon safety net qui est le 764 sur le FIB. Donc j'attends de voir si la chandelle de 1 heure va respecter ce safety net-là. S'il le respecte, puis on forme un support ici, je peux voir éventuellement un achat qui va se faire pour continuer le mouvement vers le haut. Sinon, je vais attendre de voir si on peut briser cette zone-là, puis je vais regarder pour une vente en bas de 146 400. Donc, voici le plan de match. So, this is the game plan. Alright, Ibrahim. Hey guys. Hey, what's up, Ibrahim? So, yeah. Zane, is that Maple Leaf hat? Oh, okay. Oh, that's the Knicks. Oh. Alright. Alright. So, let's see here. So, welcome. People are slowly joining the YouTube. So, welcome. Bienvenue.
Morning, Sasha.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Not bad.
Excellent.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. So yesterday I got lucky. I mean lucky. I don't know if I can call that lucky, but I was actually not looking at the chart, so it made me hold that trade and actually TP, you know. It's so easy when you're not looking at the chart, man, to hold the trade.
Yeah, was it the buy yet?
Yeah. Where's the buy? Like somewhere, where was it? Somewhere here. Oh yeah, here. So actually, I had to leave. I had to leave for meetings. So I was hoping to grab a trade before, and finally, just before leaving, this candle was not even closed yet. It was about to be closed. I think it only left a couple minutes. So I was like, you know what? Just let me enter like a small position. I'm gonna let it run for the day, and we'll see. You know, so. I didn't even place like partial TPs. I only placed a full TP, and I was like, whatever happened, right? So, so I actually enter like kind of somewhere around here because the candle was not closed, right? And stop was like right here under this candle, and you know what? It played out. It took a while, but. If I was looking at the chart when I saw this candle, I would probably have closed, right? But finally, my TP was the wick failure. So actually got hit like just around lunch break.
The 4 hours on, right?
The what?
That was a 4-hour top week.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took the buy, but after the the next candle that closed above 500.
Yeah, this one?
That was too early, but obviously after those little candles, the bullish ones, the one that closed above 500.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then I took the buy there, got my 10. And then after getting my 10 straight, I saw a nice pattern that we always look at for sales.
Yeah.
But the news candle came in, plus stock break even.
Oh, I
And
see.
such a nice pattern there,
Yeah, there's some people who caught that break though at yesterday Asian session. It's really rare that Asian session has volume, but people got that break here and ride that move to the upside. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
So now you gotta wait. Look at this candle coming back up here. Oh, so that safety net is actually in play now. So still got like 13 minutes left, but that can be interesting.
Because it's bullish, would be nice above the 750.
Oh yeah, that would be amazing. If it does it, looks like I'm gonna be in a trade early. That would be perfect because I got lots of shit to do today. That would be amazing. Man, so close of releasing the course, man. Just finishing some minor stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, almost there. Takes so much time. It's crazy. People don't realize, but man, phew.
Yeah, are you editing all the videos yourself and stuff?
Oh yeah, I did everything myself, and I did everything in both language also. So
Ooh,
yeah, so
double trouble.
it's twice the work on everything. You know, tax videos. I mean, checklist, trading plan. So it has to go like in both language. Make sure there's no grammar, mistake, and yeah, it's quite
I'm
something.
sure it'll be perfect, man.
The what?
I'm sure it'll be perfect.
I don't know about perfect, but I did my best. So
Yeah, 100%, man, 100%. I mean, like, mistakes or like, grammar problems will appear anyway, but
yeah,
those are easily fixed, right?
yeah. All right. So let's see here. Do we have any chart coming? People are slow on chart today. What's up with that?
It's a Tuesday.
Yeah.
I think the fact that we had those big moves, don't you think New York's gonna be just like yesterday?
Hopefully not.
I wouldn't be surprised,
But yesterday was Monday, bank holiday, so they had, so that's why volume was slow. But I don't expect today to be slow, to be honest. I mean, we don't have anything special too coming up for news. Forex Live. Oh, is that why the yen got excited here?
Yeah, but shouldn't that make the yen stronger?
Looks like it. But just for a while, because maybe we're gonna be correcting this now.
Yeah,
So
true.
so yeah, so I guess yeah, the yen had some good news, but I don't think it's gonna be strong enough to go against the pound because the pound the news are really good on vaccines. So um,
Oh yeah, and the lockdown as well. Yesterday Boris was saying he doesn't want the country to go back to any more lockdowns.
exactly. So I'm thinking, yeah, China. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, so we might be now correcting this, I guess. Okay, interesting. I was wondering what happened for the yen getting some power around here, but I guess that was it. I want the 1 hour to close bullish and see the next hour make a wick entry once previous high broken to test 147. Yes. So basically a new high got created, right? So this, let me grab my arrow here. So, oh, let me grab the other one. Actually, this works better. Yeah. So basically we create a new high here. Okay, so now form resistance. So we need to price to come down, create support, and push price back up to retest that new high. So 80% of the time when a new high is created, it's going to be retested. And we are in a major uptrend, right? So that's why I'm not looking for sells. So yeah. Donc ça, whoops, sorry guys. Let me grab this here. All right. Let me do this in French. Donc présentement, on a créé ce on appelle un nouveau sommet. Okay? Et 80% du temps, lorsqu'un nouveau sommet est créé, le nouveau sommet sera retesté. Donc, le sommet a été créé. Maintenant, on a poussé le prix vers le bas. On doit établir un support ici et pousser le prix vers le haut pour retester ce nouveau haut-là. Donc, c'est exactement ce que je regarde. Présentement, c'est un de mes setups favoris. This is one of my favorite setups. So, hopefully it plays out. And especially if you respect this safety line here. This safety line is the 764 FEB level, which is my safety net kind of. And yeah, it looks like it's actually rejecting it, so that's pretty good. Donc présentement, si on regarde, cette chandelle-là est en train de rejeter le safety net qu'on a à 764 sur le FIB. Donc ça regarde quand même bien. Ce setup-là, c'est un de mes setups favoris, donc j'espère qu'il va se jouer aujourd'hui. So Shane, took myself out of that move. Yeah, good idea. It's rejecting pretty hard. Such dedication. Oh, thanks. Worst case scenario, will you take an impulse entry today? No. Not looking to entry. The only way I'm gonna look to impulse entry is if we are in the NY open push or the NYSC push. So if not, I'm not looking into any impulse. Yeah, Forex Factory also has huge red folder news. Huge red folder news? Let's see. I don't see any red. I don't see any red. But maybe it's my eyes. Yeah, Shane says in the whole year, never seen Asian session like this. Yeah, it's actually been a while. I've been looking at Asian and never has volume. That's why I stopped trading it. It's just like it was painful. So, but yesterday it was actually good. Let's see here. I want to 1 hour's bearish candle. If closed bearish, we can see wick for fill again. No, this is not called a wick fill. This is called a rejection. So.
Sasha,
Yes.
on Zoom we can't see your charts. Are you reviewing charts?
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
No, this is my chart, right? You see my chart?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect, perfect. No, I was just saying like people is saying, 1 hour. It's a text in the chat. Says 1 hour is bearish candle. If closed bearish, we can see wick for fill again down to see 146,380. It's like this is not a wick fill. This is a rejection. You know,
Yeah.
so it's different.
Like how you up to 500, you know.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was just like, the cow Eleanor.
yeah, Eleanor, what?
She actually caught the whole move yesterday, from right at the bottom all the way to the top.
Oh yeah, to the upside. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty good.
That was nice.
Yeah. I didn't know she was trading Asian.
Yeah, she always comes on the Asian open, but I think she took the trade in in New York yesterday and just held it all the way to the range.
Oh my God. Okay.
She has some patience, man.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Or maybe she wasn't looking at the screen like me.
Yeah, probably.
It's easier when you're not looking at the screen.
Yeah. You would be left with like 0.01 after that because you'll
Yeah,
be cutting that. You know?
probably. So we got a minute and a half left into this candle. So let's see here. I would like this candle to flip bullish. That would be amazing. But doesn't look like it. Probably gonna enter a small position here if this candle closed bullish. I'm gonna wait for the next candle to or break this high to enter more position, because this is not an engulfing candle, so for me it's still a little risky here. So yeah, so probably gonna be looking at a small entry here in a 0.5 or something like that. It's pretty good rejection on 1 hour. Rejection 500. 500 should hold. Look at this left side here. So, I mean, price doesn't look like it wants to come back in this mess.
Yeah. I'll probably wait for a little retrace on half an hour just to get a nice entry.
Yeah. So, I'm probably going to enter one small position and I'll wait to break the high for a safer entry. Yeah, that's what I did. So here, and probably going to be looking at securing around there. Which is not bad. Actually, that's pretty good. So gotta wait and see how this candle is gonna play out. And yeah, I'm gonna use dynamic risk, but in another way, that I usually use. So I'm gonna be using dynamic risk now to use it as for a trade that you're not so sure. So usually I take entries when price come down, when I'm really confident, right? But here I'm going to use it differently. So basically I took a first entry on the opening candle, and now I'm going to wait and see if we can break this high. When I'm going to break the high, I'm going to enter my second position, and I'm going to wait and see if price can retrace down a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 pip, and just grab my third entry and let's go, So we got to wait and see. Dum, ba-dum, bum, 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 dum, dum, ba-dum, dum, dum. All right, hi everyone. I trade Asian, cut the buy from 146,660 to 147,290. Wow, Karen. Nice move, Karen. Karen has some nice Rottweilers, man. Send me a picture. They're pretty nice. Donc, présentement, j'ai pris une entrée. J'ai pris une entrée à l'ouverture de cette chandelle-ci avec mon stop en bas ici. Je vais utiliser le risque dynamique d'une façon différente que je le fais d'habitude. D'habitude, je prends plus d'entrées pendant que le prix redescend vers le bas lorsque j'ai vraiment une bonne certitude et confiance pour le trade. Présentement, c'est encore un peu risky parce que le 1 heure, bon, évidemment, est encore bearish. Mais ce que je vais faire à la place, c'est que j'ai pris une entrée à l'ouverture et je vais attendre de briser le haut précédent pour une meilleure confirmation. Je vais prendre ma deuxième entrée. Et lorsque le prix va descendre une petite affaire, peut-être une, deux, trois pips, je vais reprendre une troisième entrée. Parce que si le prix brise le haut précédent, ça va nous donner une meilleure confirmation que le prix va continuer vers le haut. You'll be buying right at resistance though. No, resistance right here. Next resistance at 146,930. As you see here, maybe it's cleaner for you on H1, so around 146,880 on H1. So yeah. Oh, you mean support? Well, yeah. But if it was a problem, price would have problem here coming down. So this is my most recent traffic this year. So you're welcome. So now price just need to create a bottom wick, and so far it's pretty good. I like when price going against me at first, so I like that better. If I see price going my way at first, it's FE. Let's see here. Last night push was the 4-hour, yes, the 4-hour wick fill. Is it really rare to see big move during Asian session? It's pretty rare, yes. It's mostly very quiet Asian session. Pauline. Started trading this week and I think my timing was perfect for now. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, Charlene is on. What's up, Charlene? Cause I mean the major trend is bullish, right? So major trend is bullish. This is just intercession bearish. So this is just a little movement down and to come back up. Bearish trend is gonna start after breaking that 146,400. I would consider sell, but until then, I think this is a. We'll see. That's why I just enter a small position here, and I'm gonna wait to break the previous high to enter more position. But yeah, this is the safety net FEB rejection closed above on the 30 minutes. So and I'm expecting 500 to hold here on a QP. So this was an overshot here on the QPs right here to come back down, but I'm pretty sure we can retest this new high. So a new high was created, price need to come down, create support, and retest the high. So we'll see. But yeah, so like I said, I just enter a small position because it's still a little risky. It might be a little early. So that's why I'm going to wait for a break of this high to enter my other position. And the other thing too, we'll see, but I think this price coming down was the good news on the yen, but I don't think that good news is strong enough to keep pushing the price down because UK, if you look at the fundamentals, UK is pretty strong right now, so I just feel like it's a little dip to the downside to push back up, but again, I can be wrong, but that's how I see it. Hello, bonjour. Sorry, you may have said it already. Will you say this is counter trend or using higher time frame that are bullish? Thanks, merci. Oh, yes, so I guess I just answered that. Donc, ce que j'expliquais, so I'm going to explain that in French because that's important. Donc, il y avait une question, puis les gens demandaient si c'était pas un counter-trend trade. Si tu regardes, c'est un trend bearish intersession. Donc, ça veut dire sur les plus petits time frames. Mais si tu regardes tous les time frames plus hauts, on est bullish. OK? Donc, après ça, si tu regardes l'intersession, ça veut dire la session Asian a commencé à pousser vers le bas. Et je crois tout simplement qu'un nouveau haut, un nouveau sommet a été formé et là, on doit aller vers le bas pour retester ce sommet-là. Donc, on doit attendre de voir. So, just gonna make sure we stay above that orange line, and we'll see. All right, all right. Alright, cool, man. This. Alright, so we got some people on YouTube, we got people on Zoom. So make sure, guys, if you're watching YouTube right now, make sure you give a like to the stream. If you're on Zoom, can you please jump onto YouTube and just give a like to the stream? That would be very appreciated. Donc, si vous regardez le stream présentement, ce serait très apprécié de donner un petit like au stream. Si vous êtes sur Zoom, allez faire un petit tour sur YouTube, donner un like au stream, ce serait vraiment très, très, très apprécié. Thank you very much, guys. Alright, so look like we are rejecting that safety net, which is pretty good. Alright, so let's see here. Okay, I'm into this. Okay, I answered that. Karen jumped on YouTube. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so let's take a look at GA. I didn't take a look at GA yet. So that was my previous zone, so let's remove all this. This. Alright. So let's remove this. After GA?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So let's take a look at this first. So looking at GA, I mean, we are still trending up, right? So if you look to the left, I mean, we are higher than where we were. So, but this started to trend down. So again, we need to make sure this price doesn't go lower than this. And if we do, I mean, we're gonna have a change of a direction here. But until then, we're still looking at bullish on the high time frame. So basically, this candle broke previous high, respected previous low. So, and this entered with a gap, not entered, but opened with a gap. So that's why we're seeing this bearish as we speak. So looking at the weekly, I mean, came back up, retraced down. Yeah, I think if we can create support here, I think we're going to be able to push price back up again. Yeah, that makes sense. Looking at 4 hours, I'm gonna do a full recap in French right after this. So looking at 4 hours here, let's see what we got here. All right, so we got this resistance right here. We have this support here, right here. Next resistance will be right here. And yeah, let's go check on 1 hour. Right now, so far, I mean, 4 hours bearish, broke previous low. So technically it should continue down, but it's respecting that support right here. So if we start breaking down here and close under this, we can definitely see sell coming up. But until we respect that support, I think we're going to be able to look for buys. So looking at 1 hour, basically, makes sense. 1 hour, this. Trending up on 1 hour. It's pretty good. Yeah, I think a new high was formed again and need to come down and retest the high. So nice huge rejection here to the downside. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good sign that price is ready to push back up again. But we need to make sure that this candle close above 750 here. So if this 1 hour or next 30-minute can close above, because look at those 2 wicks, bam, bam, rejected that QP twice in a row. So we're going to make sure this candle close above. It actually broke previous high, but rejected right away 750. So that's carry a little bit. We're going to make sure this candle closed above 750 to continuation to the upside. So that will be my play here. Donc, si on regarde sur le pound et le dollar australien, si on regarde rapidement, sur le 4 heures, on est principalement bullish. Présentement, on a commencé à aller vers le bas. Tant aussi longtemps qu'on respecte ce support-là ici, on peut regarder pour des buys vers le haut. Par contre, si on brise ce support-là, ben là, on va commencer à regarder pour des ventes. Si tu regardes sur le 1 heure, donc on doit avoir cette chandelle-là qui ferme bullish. Puis j'aimerais beaucoup qu'elle ferme en haut du QP 750 pour une meilleure confirmation pour venir retester le nouveau sommet. Donc ça serait très intéressant. Si on regarde le 30 minutes, les 2 dernières mèches ont rejeté le QP à 750. Donc j'aimerais vraiment que la prochaine ferme en haut du 750 pour une meilleure confirmation, ce qui me donnerait mon support en 1 heure. So if you wait for this candle to close above 750, this will also give you your support in H1 bullish with a nice big candle, so that will be a pretty good sign on GA. So that's my thought here on GA. Yeah, it's pretty good. So now let's go back to GJ. Oh, so GJ actually came back up. That's pretty good. All right. That's good. So this 1 hour is flipping bullish. That's pretty good. So if this 1 hour flip bullish, we now have a support on H1, which is pretty good. Until then, we need to wait and see if we can break this high. So let's see, do we have a question here? Hey, I'm new on the stream. Where are you from? Oh, hey, welcome. I'm from Montreal, Canada. Yes. Welcome. So if it's your first time, welcome here. This is a Franglish session, so I bounce back from French to English. And trying to help the most people as possible. You can send your chart. So basically, when you send your chart, the only thing you need to do on YouTube is you need to click on this camera thing, and you need to go to the end, and you need to copy this. So from the \X to the end. So you need to copy and paste that in the chat, and we're gonna be able to take a look at it on Zoom. You can paste the full link. So look like I'm almost 3 pips up, 2 pip 2.4. Yeah, so it's pretty good. So coming up slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. All right. This is good. This is good. Sasha, can you have a look for gold sales? Yes, Yusuf. Just send your chart, and we're gonna be taking a look at it. So, hello, Sasha. Hello, Raul. Hello, hello. Hey, by the way, guys, we added new feature on YouTube. So we add some I don't know how you call those, but super chat or stuff. Anyway, so all the money that's gonna go towards how you call that, un refuge. Trying to find the right word for the English for how you call that, man. I got the Franglish has meltdown here. So basically, money that's gonna be coming up, I'm gonna choose a place that save dogs and cats, and I'm gonna go give that money to them. So any money coming up from that super chat on YouTube, that's what I'm gonna be using. Charity, yes. Yeah, kind of a charity. It's not a charity. It's a man, kind of a kennel that they take dogs in the street, or people when they don't like their dogs anymore, and they just place them there for adoption. So I'm gonna choose one here, and gonna go give it to them. So shelter. There we go. That was the word. Thank you. I knew someone can save me here this morning. Man, that was hard. um, yeah, no, not vet clinic. Vet clinic do enough money, man. Those guy print money. Yeah, shelter, animal shelter. Yes, correct. That's the one. That's the animal rescue, animal shelter. Yeah, perfect, Karen. So yeah, so anyway, so money that's gonna be coming up from the super chat on YouTube is gonna go to that shelter. All right. So let's see here. What's going on? GA still respecting that QP. I don't know why TradingView does that. When you go to a previous chart, this one always nice and big, and when I come back to GG, well, now it's not so bad, but most of the time it gets super small like this, and I always have to rearrange it. Pain in the butt. Man, this price has been like at break even for a while. Nice. No wick at the bottom, rejection here. Almost no wick at the top, rejection here. Price really doesn't know what to do right now. Yeah.
Good morning, Sasha.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you? Fine?
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
Sasha, do you consider this trade as valid till now? Is it still valid? Because
What is?
it's printing small candles or no?
Well, yeah, that's on the 15 minutes. I don't look at 15 minutes to be honest. So
Okay.
I took my trade based on the 30 minutes, so I wait to see how this candle is gonna react. So I'm gonna take my decision based on the 30 minute. I'm not gonna take my a decision on the 15 minute if I took my trade on the 30 minutes. So
Yeah, okay.
yeah, it's too many times in the past that when I was doing that, actually price went my way like most of the time, and I was actually exiting either 50% or at break even. I was like, God damn, I should just wait a little bit more, right? So of course I'm always careful, and I'm ready to cut my losses short, right? But
Yeah,
I mean, we gotta leave some room for price to breathe, right? So
yeah. Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Are you in or waiting for 1 hour close? Oh, I'm in with the what the hell? Oh, school are closed. School are closed. Who's that? Who texted me? Oh, maybe Andrew. Oh, that's my girlfriend. Okay. Alright, so school are closed. God damn.
Why?
Too much snow, I guess? I don't know.
Why?
Good morning, Mr. Miller. Yeah, here when school closed because of snow, let me tell you, it's because there's a lot of snow, man. like in France, they have this snow and everything closed. You know, it's crazy. Um. So yeah, so basically to come back to this question, swimmers was, are you in or waiting for 1 hour close? Yes, I'm in with small risk like a 0.5, and I'm waiting to break the previous high to enter my other position for a better confirmation. So I'm using the dynamic risk, but the opposite way as I usually use. So this way I use it when I'm not, 100% sure, Brian, I think volume might disappear now till NYC. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, here we have a swing trade from Christopher. Wise always does that. Oh, here we go. Alright, so this is on the 4 hours. So, let's see here. So, okay, so this is what? Is it G? Oh, that's pound and Swiss franc. Okay. Price came up. Boom, boom, boom. Interesting. Yeah, so basically, you're expecting price to respect that trend line. So that's good. It's pretty good. I don't use trend line, to be honest. I only use trend lines for visual support. So, but yeah, it makes sense, I mean, if we can transform this a little bit, so if you look at it, basically, I mean, price creates support. Price at a new high right here, right? New high, so price needs to come down and create support to retest new high, right? So same concept without trend line. Because the problem with trend line is like, okay, are you connecting those two, those three, those four? Okay, so now suddenly you have it here, right? So let's say you connected those two, or those two, or you connect with this one and this one. So I don't know. It's just like, it's never super accurate, right? So that's why I don't really like trend lines. I'm not saying it's not working, but for me it's too, how can I say that? Too random.
Yeah, that's the first time using the friend.
Yeah. But it's good, man. It's playing your way. So
And it's running 75 pips.
that's good, man. That's pretty awesome. So are you be paying coffee for everyone, or? That's pretty good, man. Good job. All right, so let's see here. I took a sell earlier. Can you give me your feedback? Sure. Could we see a range in the market in anticipation for news tomorrow? Maybe. Yeah, it's possible. It's really, really possible. So let's see here. Copy. Boom. Let's do this here. God damn. All right. So this is GJ 15 minutes. All right, so let's see here. Waited for the 30-minute close. Waited for the 30-minute candle to close below my zone. Waited for the 15-minute retest my zone. Notice the rejection wick. Alright, makes sense. Enter on the low of the 30-minute candle. So enter right here. Okay, makes sense. Close 50% of my position when the 15-minute candle closed above my entry. Oh, this one. Closed when price. Okay, yes, perfect. Okay. But close 50% when close. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. Question: did I manage my risk correctly, and how could I improve my entry? Well, to be honest, I mean this candle was still in play, right? So I would have wait for close of this candle to react on it. Looks like you close 50% when you broke previous high, which is super valid, is super good. Me, I like to wait for the candle to close, and see how I'm gonna manage this risk. But yeah, it makes sense, man. Close 50%, and after that, trade went your way. So I mean, you're still in the blues. So yeah, I mean that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But it was kind of risky because I mean, this is counter trend trade, right? So don't forget the main trend is bullish, and we're coming down now to probably create support and retest that new high. So this is a bearish trend on enter session only. So people sometimes confuse that, but if you look at all the other time frames, every time frame is bullish, right? So I mean, this is just enter session trend that's coming down, but the main trend is bullish. No Raja today. I don't know. Probably, but I always stream on Tuesday and Thursdays. Always stream on Tuesday and Thursdays. Do some French and English. So, tu diras merci à ta femme pour l'information du school, oui. effectivement. Là, j'entends les déneigeuses là, dehors sont en train de travailler.
J'ai legit texté ma mère parce que ma mère n'a pas levé, puis j'étais quand même pas été aujourd'hui, puis ma mère n'a pas aussi.
Ah, ben c'est sur l'île de Montréal, là, donc je sais pas.
Yeah, no, but her school is outside of the island and it's still closed too.
Ouais.
I can check it.
And you see, when we look at Christopher's trade idea here, if you realize that price action worked also with swing trade, right? So it's the same strategy, just playing on different time frame. So same idea, same concept. But just taking action on 4 hours and daily and weekly, So look like this 30-minute close as a small doji, but close above my safety net here. So I'm gonna wait. If this new candle breaks that low, I'm gonna be exiting 50%. But until then, I'll wait and see. Yes, let's see. Thanks for your feedback. You're welcome. Raja is coming. Yeah, probably. By the way, guys, if you're on YouTube right now, just make sure you give a like to the stream. That'll be very appreciated. And if you're on Zoom, if you can jump on YouTube, that would be really, really appreciated. If you can give a like to the stream. Donc, si vous êtes sur le stream présentement sur YouTube, n'oubliez pas de donner un petit like. Et si vous n'êtes pas inscrit au channel, faites-le. Comme ça, la prochaine fois qu'on va live, vous aurez la notification. So don't forget to subscribe. You're also going to get the notification next time we go live. So next time I go live is going to be tomorrow night. Tomorrow night I'm going to have a Forex talk over beer. So you don't want to miss that. It's going to be pretty cool. Super close to do the launch. Probably, maybe going to be able to do it during Forex talk over beer. So just missing a couple, some small stuff to figure out on the website, but it's coming along. I can give you a sneak peek. Let's see here. Can I get this screen to go there? Hold on, wait a second. Okay, let's. Oh no, because I don't want. Because I don't know, people can be.
No, I don't really see it. Just this.
Yeah, because now you can see my, the URL like in details and with Teachable. So I don't want people to go. Some people can be hacky, right? So you know what? I'm not gonna take any chance for now. I'm gonna wait for the launch, but yeah. But it's coming along. It's just taking so much more time than one expected, to be honest. All right, so boom, boom, boom. Oh, and by the way, we cannot play the anthem anymore. We cannot play the anthem when we win. You know, the who let the dogs out. Yeah, because actually my account went into review, my YouTube account, and I had 3 videos that they actually spot with that song. So when you rewatch those videos, to be able to monetize that video, I had to remove the sound for, let's say, the 10-second that I was playing the music. I have to remove the sound. So so it looks like we're going up here. So I'm gonna be breaking that high. I'm gonna be entering my second position. So let's see here if we can break it, and we did. So just entered my second position. I want a little retrace down just before we continue up, so I can grab my third position. And let's see here if we can retrace just a little bit. Give me one pip and a half. I want to enter a third one. Looks like GJ doesn't give a shit about me. Man, I was just about to press that button and it gave it a little push. God damn. I need price to come down a little bit. Alright, so I entered my third one. It's pretty much at the same price of my first entry, so yeah, we'll see. Not my first entry, sorry, my second entry. My first entry is almost at 4 pips. Oh, is it at 5 pips now? So I need to put my PTP at, let's see, I can put my partials here. Partial is going to be based on my first entry, so I got to make sure I put this partial at 15 pips to get 10 pips on the other position. So yeah, that would make sense. Yeah. So partials is at 832. So partials 832 here. So that would be, let's put it here. And that TP here is going to be for my runners.
Yeah. Sasha, if you look on the 5-minute GJ, you can see that it's heavily rejecting that kind of area there.
Yeah, we broke, came back down, retest, create support, and now ready to push back up. But we need to make sure we break this. Yes, this minor. Yep, exactly. Yes, sir. Which is this minor on the 15 minutes, you know. Which is good. All right, perfect. So that's good. That's good. So now I'm getting the retracement down. Of course. Of course, my friend. I need to be more patient. I just need to be more patient. All right, come on, guys. Just Simon. All right, so come on, guys. Just like the stream, this is the minimum we can do to say thank you. Oh, well, thank you, Simon. Thank you. Sasha, what's your opinion on signals and signal providers? Where to start? I don't know. Just most of my money was lost into signals, and I don't really believe in it, you know. So I mean, if it works for you, great, awesome. But to be honest, more than often, you're gonna be late on the entry, or I mean, signals are not even most of the time. It depends, you know. There's I'm sure there's some good signals. I'm sure there's some good signals, but to be honest, I don't like to rely on a signal provider, because if the signal provider dies tomorrow, what are you gonna do? You know, trying to buy another signal provider before you find one that works. You know, I don't know. I like to learn and, you know, do my own stuff. I don't like to rely on anyone. So I think signal provider is like kind of a cane, you know. It's like kind of a cane, and I don't need a cane. So all right. Where is my chat box? Where is my chat box? Chat is right here. Okay. Let's move this here and this over here. All right. Sorry, Zoom. My chat box disappeared, so I was not seeing your message. All right, so let's see here. Do we have any new message here? All right. Sam, Sasha, I've been following you on Instagram for 3 months, and today I entered the Zoom for the first time. Thank you very much for all your training. Oh, you're welcome, welcome. What do you think about moving the SL under the Doji 30-minute? I'm actually going to be closing 50% if we go under that Doji bottom wick. Awesome, Sasha. You will add after the hour wick break. Sasha, what is your name on YouTube? Oh, on YouTube it's Trade with the Pack. So youtube.com. So it's here, Trade with the Pack. Right here. Let's see if it breaks 750 and going up. Yes. We need to break 750. But so far, I mean, we respected that safety net here. This orange line is the safety net on the FEB level. So basically, if you do this here, right? So 764 safety net, and here you got the golden zone, right? So yeah, boy, yeah. All right, let's go. To what point of retracement will you take your third entry? Oh, I already did. Grabbed my third entry. I was just waiting for maybe like, because I know prices start to move up, so I'm not expecting like a retracement of 4 pips, right? So I was, you know, maybe 1 or 2 pips, and actually I grabbed it pretty much at maybe 2.8, 3.5, so like 0.7 pips better entry, so not much, but it is what it is. Let's take a look at GA here. Oh, so it look like GA is coming down. If G break this zone, so now we're gonna have a change of trend. So I think I can, if price close above this zone, I think that can be pretty good. Yeah, definitely. My zone is all fat, so let's put here, and yeah, you want to make sure you close under this. You get some nice wick to fill here. You can target the next QP. Yeah, I think sells. Again, we need to close under this zone, but yeah.
Check the chat, Sash.
Huh?
Check the chat.
Oh, are you from France? No, from Quebec. Pour Quebec. Oh, and you feel the same. Quebec pour la vie. Okay, maybe I need to put my desk in bullish mode. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, so people sometimes ask me where the name came from. This is actually my flyball team. Crazy Dogs flyball team. Yeah.
Wait, flyball is what, like
flyball is.
It's a dog in like the game you play with your dog, right? Like you throw the ball to your dog, right? It's yeah.
Flyball is this. Let's try to find a good one here. Oh, that's a pretty good one. So. Oh shit, I just realized I played that song in the video.
That's what I said.
Oh god damn. God damn. Shit, I didn't realize.
They're gonna cut it from the string next to them. It's time to see it.
God damn. Oh well, it is what it is. But so yeah, that's what is flyball. So basically, yeah, it's two teams of 4 dogs competing against each other. And they got 4 jumps to jumps like you saw. They need to jump on the box, grab that ball, run back, and while they're running back, the second dog has to be starting to run, and they got to pass at the gate. But the gate is like this, this wide, so dog has to pass beside each other, and yeah, it's pretty intense. Yeah, Liam says, watch out for your copyright with the music on. Yeah, goddamn. I guess this stream is now free, you know? So dumb. I just talked about that, actually.
And I know, I told you too. I said, don't play the song, turn it off.
But that song's actually so good, too. It's hard not to listen. It's really good, right? So, anyways.
What's up, people?
Oh, Mark the Stash. What's up?
Comment est-ce qu'ils vont?
Hey, ça va, ça va.
Ça va? Bon. Le gars est en bail, man.
Pas le temps de niaiser, man. Donne-moi ma tequila Heineken.
Il est in depuis genre 7h30.
Ouais.
6h, I mean. Like, my time is 7:30.
C'est ça.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning. So, guys, don't forget the good Hookah John. Oh, man. Who's talking about Hookah John? Pedro Lux. Man, Hookah John is the man. Alright, so let's see here. Sasha, what's your opinion? Oh, okay, answer that. True, man. When the provider is taken away, you're doomed and you're learning to... Yeah. Sorry, Sasha, my internet has cut off. I didn't get to see your opinion on my gold trade. Oh, I didn't see the chart. Hold on, wait a second. I see here. Trade I took in the London session. Oh, that's not yours. But maybe you can resend your gold chart because it doesn't look like I have it. Here is another one from here. This is from JN. So this is GU. So here, GU. GU fake out to the downside. For our wick retest rejection, this is on the 30-minute, okay? So basically entered, oh no, here, 30-minute close above close of minor resistance, bullish engulfing. Yeah, that's pretty good. Entered on 5-minute wick rejection, bullish candle. No idea how I got this entry quite low. Okay. Somewhat bullish confluence for buys, but runners got stopped out. Now looking for buys on GJ. Close partials. Yeah, I mean, if you grab some profit here, don't risk all your profit on a buy now on GJ. You know, you should take a look at 1 or 2 trades a day max. But man, if you're satisfied with your money, don't be greedy and just walk away. I mean, you can stay on the stream and just chill, but. Yeah, usually when I have a good win, I'm not going to take a second trade just for, risking the profit. But maybe if I see something very, very, very solid, but if it's a little iffy, yeah, not going to touch it. So like this trade right now is kind of iffy, Still respecting that safety net though. Bouge pas. Oh.
This is why that's why.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and we have it on 5 minutes. So if you take a look, I mean, it's kind of right here, right? So.
Yeah.
Puis ça correspond au QP 750 aussi.
Ouais.
Mais si on close bullish à share, man.
Ouais, c'est ça. It's a waiting game. We gotta wait and see. I want to see this candle to close bullish in like 9 minutes. That would be amazing. If it closes bearish, I'm gonna be out. Hey Sasha, how do you draw your quarter points line? Thanks in advance. Very simple. So basically you start with the flat number. Whoops. Didn't move the right screen. So basically you start with the flat number and you add 25 pips. So let's say 147, 147 to 50, 147 500, 75. Well, I didn't put it here because we're not up there, but if you go the opposite way here, 146, 250, 500, 750, and flat number 147. So it's like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, you know. So a quarter to quarter in this idea. All right, can we get 100 likes today? We are at 65. I'm pretty sure we can get 100. So make sure to give a like to the stream, guys. If you're on Zoom, jump on YouTube very quickly. Watch out for copy. Oh yeah, I can't believe, man. I was just talking about that. Dumb me. Let me do something here. Let me do something here. All right. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. GJ going down. Yeah, maybe. Man, people are going against me. That's not fair. But I like this close here on H1. So I really like this. You know, this huge rejection to the downside actually came down, pick up orders, ready to move back up, you know. So I really like that. You know, might move up in the next hour or so. Just need to be patient. But I think the entry was not bad. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see here. Hey, Sasha. Oh, we answered that. All right. Oh, we got the magic 69 likes. Shit. I don't like the top wick on the 5-minute candle. To me, show price can go bullish. Yeah, I don't look at 5 minutes too much, but yeah. Price can go bullish? Why? The wick. You said the top wicks on the 5-minute candle, to me, show price can't go bullish. Why is that? Because there's a tiny wick? Doesn't say it can go. There's it's less probability to go up. But doesn't mean it can go up. If it doesn't break this, you know, that means yes, it's having a hard time going up. But it doesn't mean it can't go up. So yeah. So as you see, we broke that high for the second time now. So now it looks like we're having more probability to price to go up. So
I think it's the 5-minute the consolidation. If that breaks, then we're looking for key one.
Yeah, but 5 minute is way. It's such a weak confirmation time frame, so that's why I don't look at that. I mean, I sneak peek into it to see what's happening, you know, but I'm not gonna base my idea on a super weak confirmation time frame, you know. I can you know, see how price move and, you know, understand, okay, perfect, all right, interesting, okay. But I'm not gonna take a decision based on the 5 minute. I'm not gonna cut my trade on the 5 minute because I actually took my trade on a 30-minute candle. So I will wait to see how this 30-minute candle plays out. And yeah, so as you see now, I mean, we're coming back up for the second time. And yeah, man, here we go. Booyah. So yeah, so at this point I got 7 pips. So coming up nicely and surely.
Just break out the 750.
Yeah, yeah. But at this stage, at 750, I'm already gonna have one of my positions close at 11 pips actually. So at this stage, I don't care what happened.
Close at 50%.
Oh yeah, no, I'm closing one position in full. I got 3 position, so I'm gonna be closing one position in full, and we'll see. Or maybe just a percentage of that position. I don't know yet. We'll see how it moves. But yeah, that first position is like 8 pips now. So yeah, looking good. Here we go. Here we go. Coming up. Coming up. Here we go, baby. Here we go. 10 pips, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, 11 pips coming up. 11 pips coming up. There we go. Thank you very much. And boom! Yes, baby. This is how we do it. All right, looking good, baby. Looking freaking amazing. Yep.
Yeah, nice trade.
Yes, baby. All right. All right.
I've played most of my positions now. I'm a bit too greedy.
So breaking that 750, can we stay above it? That would be amazing. So my 2 other position can go TP also.
It's speaking on your funding Allen account.
Oh no, it's only on my live account.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, it's only on this one. I closed my other account and now I'm doing my Black Bull.
I'm close to 50% of my trade now.
Good job, man. Good job, buddy. So yeah, alright, perfect. Awesome.
Check-moi le H1 après ça, man.
Yeah.
Ben équipé. Ouais.
Yeah, baby. So yeah, so what's up with that 5-minute that says that candle can go up? Shit. I don't want to sound cocky, but
Yeah.
you know.
You see, as soon as it broke that 5-minute
And the exciting part now is we actually broke 750 and we close above 750. So that's the exciting part. So now we just need to create a bottom wick, break that high, and we up to the race. So my partial TP for my other position is at 832. So where's the green line here? Yep. So that's going to be my second partial. Yeah, that's going to be pretty good. So now I'm going to trail my stop.
It's funny because Roger took entry when the candle closed.
You just took entry?
Right when the 30-minute closed, right here at the top.
Come on, coach, you're late. What's up with that, coach, man? Shit, boy. Then I'm joking. But yeah, man, I think that was pretty basic trade here. It's like this trade, I will take this one any day. The only thing that was effy when I took my entry is the candle. This candle here was broke actually the safety net, but closed back over it. So that was the little hope, but it was still effy because, you know, we broke that golden zone, broke that safety net. So I was like, that's why I was like, so that's why I only took one position first. but I think it was pretty basic setup. I mean, create a high, need the price to come down, create support, retest that high. So yeah, this is one of my favorite setup. You know, I mean, this is my favorite setup.
So Sasha, at this point, have you what percentage of your position are you good?
At what time? What? Sorry.
Like what percentage of your position have you closed? Like
Oh, I closed 50% of one of my position, and I list the other one. I didn't do nothing. I did it manually because if you do close half on the magic key, it's gonna close half on your all your position. Man, I need to make sure. I don't know why, but this total PL amount is still showing my screen, and I actually removed it. And the reason why I removed it, it's because here in Quebec, they're super strict about showing stuff, and I received some threats from some people, and they said if you keep showing your numbers, we're gonna give your name to the authority and blah blah blah. So now I just want to make sure my amount doesn't show anymore, so I don't get in trouble, you know, because they're really strict here. But yeah, I don't know why it's still showing. So I guess I'm gonna have to hide it some way. I don't know. People are so dumb. Fuck, man. Anyways, yeah, I think that's a pretty good trade. Now I want the other position to hit TP. And I think we just created bottom wick. Now if we can break that high, I think it's going to be beautiful. Man, I need to find some... you know what? I'll try to find something. Let's try to find... Because we cannot play the N10 anymore, right? So... Because if we play the N10, stream's going to go to drain, right? So... Gotta make sure... let's find the sound...
Mark has the face of a guy that got in. Il a la face d'un gars qui est dans le trade live. Il est dedans ou il attend votre cliquer. T'es dedans? T'es rentré à la closure de la candle?
J'ai rentré bien sur le H1.
Oh, nice. Yes, that was good. Yeah, if you guys waited for the H1 close, that's beautiful also.
Là, c'est clean,
Beautiful.
On a brisé le high, pas brisé le low.
Yeah. Beautiful engulfing on H1. Closing above this QP. Wait for this wick to come down. Break high and, you know, ride it up. So, yeah, that's a pretty good entry on H1 also, Mark.
Thanks.
T'es rentré au break de H1?
Non, juste au close.
Oh, au close, c'est parfait. Là.
Yeah, no, it looks nice. It looks good.
Yeah.
It does look
Guys, if you
7-5-5.
guys, if you grab that dude, guys, if you grab that win, man, give a like to the stream.
Faut qu'il y ait au moins un autre 11 pips, et après ça, je vais liker.
La 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 la. Come on, baby. What time is it now? It's 7. Okay. Sasha, I do not understand why you ignore the resistance at 146,750. 146,730. What resistance? There's no resistance here. Next resistance is here. 146,880. There's no resistance until 146,880. So I'm not sure what you're looking at, but maybe send your chart, because if you see a resistance I don't see, I don't know. But looking at here, I mean, look at 1 hour, look at 30 minutes. I don't see any resistance. There's no resistance here. what do you think about making the SL smaller since it broke the new high? Yes, I actually trailed my stop. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. Where did I put it? I put it right here. 146, 610. 146, 610. So this is my new stop here. So now I'm risking 3 pips.
Looking good as hell. Come on. Yeah, I took entry on the wick. So I'm up 4.5 pips already.
Oh, wee! Let's
on.
go.
Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm up
Do it.
3
With the
pips.
party.
Here, boy, I'm missing 2 pips. 2 pips. Yeah, I think I put my partial a little too high here. I put it at 15 pips based on the first entry.
855. I put
So
mine at 855.
I'm gonna be closing as soon as my third entry got 11 pips. I'm gonna be closing like 90% of everything.
Looking good. It broke the line too. So let's go.
Come on, baby. Oh yeah, let's go.
There you go. Come on. 4 pips.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I guess I need to put this a little lower here. Let's do this. I think that should do it. That should give me, yeah, just need a little push. I think I'm missing 1 pip. So I just moved my PTP a little down, and the reason why I just want to secure 11 pips on my third position. So now I placed it at 821. I don't want to be greedy on this. Just want to, you know, secure and let the rest run. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, so let's see here. Do we have any question here? Let's see. Nice one. Okay, perfect. Booyah. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. 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 Alright, so let's take a look at GA. Did GA do anything? Oh, GA is breaking down. So here on GA, for people that's looking at GA, if you close this 30-minute under this zone, I think sales opportunity is going to be pretty great on the pound Australian dollar. So yeah, I think that will be really good. So wait for that close under, maybe wait for a retest or a wick retest. So depends on what time is it, but you know, make sure we're going to take a look back in 15 minutes and see how it goes. What are you doing, GJ? So slap that 146 870 TP. Yes, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Okay, thanks. Okay, what? Okay, thanks for me. It will be break even because I open at wick down. Oh, okay. I see. Alright, coming back up. Let's go. This is the push we need.
I was on T5. I was so impatient. I was next to Mark. I got in, closed. Took a seat.
Man,
so
just
swirly. I was like so mad. I was like, oh, Mark was like, what the fuck are you? He was excited. He was like, what are you doing, man?
Il est genre, ok, je sors, il est comme, ah, je viens de rentrer. Je suis comme, alors, je suis comme, dude, ça fait 1 minute.
That's funny.
Oui,
Alright.
lâché, close partials. Yep. Il y a des matins que tu le files moins.
Alright, let's go. I'm missing 2 pips.
Come on, man.
2 pips.
Yeah.
There we go. Coming up.
Missing 4 pips.
Come on, 2 pips, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, baby. Let's go. As soon... Oh, man, it was close. This shit is coming up. Let's do it. And there's clean traffic to the left side, so shouldn't be any problem
Exactly.
here.
Yeah.
So...
That's what I'm banking on.
Au moins jusqu'à 147, man. At least.
At least, yeah.
Come on.
Yep.
Yeah, so if people wonder why I'm going to be hiding this PL number now, just because there's dumb people over there, so it is what it is. Man, the AMF here is really, really strict.
Yeah.
They actually brought some people from a MLM company that do Forex. They actually put them on TV 2 days ago. Yeah, it was pretty brutal.
C'est quoi, t'as pas le droit de montrer ton PNL quand t'es genre, quand tu montres aux gens? Là?
Ouais, c'est parce que techniquement, si tu montres ton argent, c'est comme si tu garantissais des gains à quelqu'un.
Ok.
Fait que, tu sais, c'est un peu... ouais, c'est ça. Because there are people, when they see numbers, they say, oh, okay, perfect. So if I do exactly what they do, it's guaranteed I'm going to make that money, right?
Yeah.
So the authority doesn't want that. So
Attache ta tuque, man.
So I'm missing 1 pip here. 1 pip. Come on, give me 1. Can I get 1 pip? Oh, I'm missing 0.8. Come on, do it. Here we go. Here we go. I got it. My partial TP is a little too high, I guess. God damn. It's gonna hit it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it there. So I got 16 pip on my first position now.
On va se rendre là,
Here we go. Let's go. I'm missing a tiny thing, man. It's super close to my PTP. Here we go.
This is where things get tricky, right? Because this kind of
Oh, Raja's back.
Oh. Who's listening to Raja at the same time? Mute yourself, please.
Sorry, brother.
No problem. Man, if you should see my picture right now. I mean, the line. I mean, there's a tiny thing. Just didn't hit my PTP.
Secure.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Come on, DJ. Push.
Secured 50% of my account when that candle closes.
Good job, bud.
Tick on the top.
Everybody eats, man. Let's go.
Dogs are eating this morning. Hell yeah.
Camisous, man.
Dogs are eating this morning. Come on, baby. Give it to me.
Ouais, j'étais à 7 pips. Là. Yo, j'ai double order, j'ai crissé 4% là-dedans.
Ah ouais, hein?
Ah ouais,
Nice.
le H1 c'est trustable en esti.
Ben ouais.
Wait, maman, just 4. Come on.
Let's go. So looks like my first position is gonna PTP at 16 or 17, And my last one is at 11.2 now. Should I close? I'm like 0.6 pip away from PTP.
Close, brother. Secure the profit.
You're right.
You're so greedy. Oh yeah, Magic Key helps me. Like greed.
That's actually good. That's actually a good one. That's actually a good one. Let's go. Come on.
2 pips away. Come on.
0.1. Oh, got it.
Oh, I just heard this sound.
Me
Yeah.
too. Come on. One more pip.
Mets ton pochon, le fil.
À 10. J'étais à 8.5.
Non, mais.
Who let the dogs out?
Les numéros.
8.44.
Ok. Ah, j'étais à 8.65.
Come on. One more pip. 0.9 pip. Come on. Good job. Good job.
Holy shit, boy.
It feels good, man, because last week was pretty brutal.
0.3 pip. Come on. Do it.
Alright, guys, so if you got that win, or if you like my sidekick, give a like to the stream, man. So, yeah, let's move my stop here and profit. Just a little bit. A little bit.
Yeah. Yes. Boom.
Nice. I'm getting in right now.
Getting in or getting out?
Getting out with my specialty. Oh no, it didn't.
Oh man, my runner is running. Shit, boy.
Oh, yes, sir.
Man, I can't.
It's empty.
Runner, run in, baby.
I got one of my runners that. Wow. Let's go, baby.
Marc, that's not good. Over that bridge.
J'ai ouvert le bridge là-dessus en Oups. Bon, c'est pas pire que partir Saint-Lô sur un account à 4000$. Hein, Satch?
Hein, quoi?
C'est pas pire que partir Saint-Lô sur un account à 4000$.
Ouais, non, c'est ça. So my stop's in profit now. Here we go. So look at this. This full TP is gonna hit. I got one of my position full TP at this stage. I got my next TP right here at 147 and third TP right here. So we'll see.
Life is good right now. Life is fucking good right now.
Oh yeah. Uh, 146,923. Right here, I guess. Yes. Alright, so one of this position is going to be hitting full TP. Man, this runner is running, baby.
Yeah, man. 13.5. B stops at break even. Pretty happy I took this one.
And people at first was like, no, price can go up. Because on the 5 minute, right?
Zane, where's Zane, unlock your camera.
Zane est en train de checker ses loss.
To be honest, for me, it was the H1. Quand Marc m'a dit, look at the H1, I was like, you know what? It's too good. I gotta take it.
Le H1 il est tellement trustable.
Ben ouais, man. SL price. I need to figure out how to remove this. Average partial. Pip counter.
Yeah, it's at the end.
But what I did last time, I put it white. And it worked. But now it just reappeared green. So.
Well, I don't know why. Every single time I go, I'm not on your screen. The page comes back in my face. So, tu comprends? Genre, ça arrive tout le temps. I can't even do anything. Sorry.
Should checker.
J'ai un autre partial TP à 950.
Yeah.
juste avant 147, mettons.
Wow, Mark, t'as beaucoup de background noise.
Yeah, m'enlever ça.
Thank you. Ça c'est beau. Keep label fixed on the screen, no? Average price of multiple position. Ah, c'est celle-là ici qu'il faut que je mette à none. Qu'est-ce qui arrive si je fais none? Ça marche même pas. Hein?
Oh my god, 15 pips.
Yeah, it's going, bro. It's going.
15.
Let's put it
Put
right.
another TP at 20 pips, but fuck, it's gonna go. Yeah, I'll put another 20 pips.
Oh man, this man, this man, this runner's gonna hit my TP, man. My first TP. Final TP for runner. Oh man, it's going.
Man, imagine, on se rend à 147, 250 en une
Oh,
shot.
oh, that runner's gonna hit.
17.
Oh, 70 pips total. Holy crap, bro. Let's go.
Start the day off with a bang.
Let's go, man. Woo! Oh, Bill. Oh man, Bill is giving the first $25 on the trade with the pack super chat. So this $25 is gonna go into a shelter here. So thank you very much, Bill. Very appreciate. Says thanks for always being generous with your advice and help Sasha keep killing it, brother. Thank you very much, Bill. Very, very appreciate. So this is a new thing I just actually activated on YouTube. We now have the super chat, and yeah, very, very generous. Thank you, Bill. So yeah, man. So it's like casino, right? So if you win, you give something to the dealer, right? So yeah, I think that was pretty good, man. Shit, I need to do a little post here.
Oh my god, did he take profit?
Oh yeah, full take profit on one position. My sec.
I closed at 100% in the 700.
That's nice. My next TP is the Wickfield here,
Yeah.
and I have another TP here for that resistance right here.
Yo, the correction is this is a breakout in a 1 hour time frame of 750 and this is a green for up.
Yep.
Here, this is a breakout the high here and the other content push.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah.
That was pretty good, man.
My second TP at 20 pips got hit, so now I'm just waiting for the top of the wick, so I 30 pip, but pretty sick trade there, stuff.
Thanks, bro. So yeah, so my I got one position that hit like 30.
It's more than 30 pips.
Oh yeah, my first position that I took on this one here, because I took it on the opening of this candle, right? So this one is at like 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips on a Tuesday on one position. Yeah, pretty good.
That's
Pretty good.
pretty good.
Pretty good.
Monday, I lost 5 pips in the GJ for short, and today I lost the 10 pips for the buy. It's a very good for start of the week.
Yeah, it's good, man. Good job.
What I'm happy is I took. Just risk management.
That's it, man.
Where's Mark?
Man, moi je suis content pour Phil qui a pas rentré, sorti.
My plans to make Valentine's Day are better.
And I'm gonna mute myself because I'm gonna put the end time on Instagram. What's up, guys?
Yep.
Vous êtes à chier? Sacha!
Yep.
T'as pas un sniper entry sur GU à nous montrer, là?
Live, c'est. Ben, ça crée plus de higher high, fait que je sais pas si je passe sur du sell. Parce que ça a arrêté directement au 9.5, les QP, puis depuis London, il n'y a pas créé de nouveau high, puis c'est mou live, là. Ça push mou, là. Fait que ceux qui veulent cowboy avec moi matin puis rentrer en salle, ça va être débile.
On a tous déjà fait ce qu'on avait à faire à matin.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Ouais.
Si vous êtes là.
Non, man, on a déjà mangé comme des porcs.
Vous êtes laid.
All right, so let's see here. I have a question here. Why a big part of all traders only trade GJ? Because GJ moves well and has some pretty good moves, so that's why. I think a lot of traders trades GJ, US 30, gold. Pairs that move. GA is pretty interesting. GA has some great moves. Look at this. Holy! Yeah. So you see those candles? Yeah. You see that on GJ. GJ, GA, those pound pair usually moves pretty good. Great call. What?
Because of the time, right? Because the big end is closer in New York, so it's perfect trade.
Yep. That too, yeah. Hey Sasha, great call. Just would like to ask. So your entry was based on previous H4 and H1 resistance support, right? So you anticipated it's not gonna break. Not really. I guess you can rewind the stream and watch it, but just to give you an idea, here, looking at H4, it was a bullish trend, right? So it's a bullish trend. Yes, price came back down here, and people were asking why taking a buy and a sell. This is not sell. This is just price coming back down to create support to push back up, right? So when price push up, at one point it needs to come down to retrace and push back up, but the main trend is still bullish. So looking at 1 hour, I was looking at this, and looking at 30 minutes, sorry. So basically a high was formed. I need price to come down.
$50,000.
Sorry?
Bitcoin hit the $50,000.
Oh, awesome.
And
Awesome.
I don't make money on that.
Let's buy some more live.
Okay, so let's...
Don't buy the top.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so let me finish this here for a second. So basically what I did is I did this here, right? So I had my golden zone right here between the 50 and 618, and this 764 was my safety line. So you see I put an orange line. So this was my safety net, right? So if it closed under, usually it's scary, but when price came back up and created support while closing above this safety net, I had a little hope. So I actually took a small entry, a 0.5% entry on the opening of this candle, and I waited to break this high to enter my other position. So once this one broke previous high, I entered a second, and when it retraced down by a tiny thing, I actually got my third entry. So that was pretty much it. And this was based on the fact that this is my favorite setup. New high is being formed. Price needs to come down, create support, and retest that high. So that's it, boys. So now runner is running. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty happy with this. So pretty happy. Let's get...
Hello, Sasha.
Hello.
We're eating.
Oh, we definitely eating, bro. We are definitely eating. Hell yeah. So, yeah, that was pretty good, man.
Did you get more entries while it retraced for the fast entry?
To take more entry now?
No. You see the fast entries that you took after the bullish kind of close above 500.
Yeah.
Did you get more entries in the retrace?
Oh, I actually waited. No, so what I did, I took one entry, And because it was still FE, right? So I was not super 100% sure. So I actually used dynamic risk in a different way. So I took my first entry here on the opening of this candle. Where's my mouse?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here. And I waited for price to break this high for entering my second position. So when I enter my second position, I waited for price to come down a little thing because price was moving pretty hard. So it went down by I think 0.6 or 0.8, I can remember, and I took my third entry there.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, as soon as you entered, I had to quickly run, but I came back 2 minutes later and the price was 600.
Yeah,
I took my, because I was a retreat, so I took
Yeah,
my entry.
that's good.
As soon as on the left, the fact that Asia pushed up so much from
Yeah.
that area,
yeah,
I was confident. Put my stops, like, I think it was like probably 6 or 7 pips down.
that's good.
It came out now and the trade was like 35 pips.
That's pretty good, man. And usually that 500 QP is really strong. Just take a look. Take a look here. So that's the other reason why I had confidence in that trade also. But like I said, I was not 100% confident. That's why I used a smaller risk to enter at first. But the other reason why I was confident is 500 is really strong, right? So see how many candles it took before putting the price up. So it's gonna take a strong candle to break this, and that's not at 7 p.m. 7 a.m. that you're gonna get a candle that's gonna destroy that's 500. Especially that looking left, you got all this noise. I don't think that price is coming down. The other reason too is price went up, came down because we had some yen positive news, right? So the yen gained in strength, so that caused the price to come down. But those news are not strong enough to hold the pound, because pound is really rocking right now. There's a lot of good news right now for vaccine, and Boris says that he doesn't want to go into another lockdown. So I mean, it's all positive right now. So that's why I was like, there's very less probability for price to continue down. I think it's going to be rejected in this area. So yeah, this actually played out pretty well.
Yeah, 100%. I think there was another entry as we broke above the 750.
Oh yes, that was definitely another possible entry. Like if people was late, you can wait for this candle to close above 750 like we did. Wait for this candle to come down, retest, take the entry on the break of the high. But I don't take impulse entry at that time, so this is part of my rule, my own rule, But I know there's people who's gonna look at it, and that's great. That's perfect. It's just me. I mean, it's everyone. You need to set up your own rules and stick with it. If you stick to your own rules, man, you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it.
Yeah, I mean, you can see just below the 750, there was a support where kind of made a nice support. And when the kind of closed above 750 and above that little support as well,
Yeah,
those are two confidence that you need to look for,
exactly. Yeah, no. Yep, definitely. And now, I mean, technically, we should tap into 147.
Oh, yeah.
Technically, we should tap into 147. So
That's when you run it. I'm just going to close the computer and just hope for the best.
yeah, no, that's it. At this point, I mean, my runners are in profit, so stop is in profit. I mean, and whatever. I closed one of my runner. One of my runner actually hit full TP. So for that position, that position full TP was like kind of right here. Yeah, and next one is the fill of this wick, and the third one's gonna be right here. So
Beautiful.
Hey, Satch,
yep.
tu peux-tu aller voir sur GU? J'ai de quoi à montrer pour ceux qui trade GU.
Ouais. T'as envoyé ton chart?
Ben là, c'est parce que je suis dans un trade, fait que là, ça va mélanger le monde.
Ah, ok, non, pas tout. Attends un peu. So here is GU. So we got
C'est vraiment, c'est mon simple rules là, que je répète. Je pense que je l'ai dit normalement une fois à FEB aussi. Là.
So here we got a GU trade idea from Jim.
Sur 15.
15 minutes. Alright.
Quand on voit toutes les autres paires de GBP push-up, ça me donne le goût de prendre le buy pour break la minor résistance puis continuer plus haut.
Mm-hmm.
Mais à à chaque fois entre 6h30 et 7h30, les impulses, je pense que ça fait. À chaque jour, je pense que j'ai vu ça. Là. Ça marche jamais les impulses entre 6h30 et 7h30. Ça va push up à peu près 3 pips, 4 pips, puis ça go down direct après.
Oh, wow.
À chaque fois, comme là, un matin, c'est encore ça qui s'est passé. Donc, ceux qui trade GU, j'ai un rules qui est vraiment, vraiment, vraiment simple. C'est pas d'impulse entre 6h30 et 7h30, ça va scraper votre compte. Le setup est beau en plus, tu sais, on crée des higher low pour peut-être créer un higher high, mais le volume est jamais là entre 6h30 et 7h30. Jamais.
Fait que là, t'as pris ton trade où?
J'ai pris sur le retrace. Ça, directement quand le candle a close a close en fait, directement quand le candle a close, celui qui a essayé de push up.
Celle-là?
Ouais. Pour
Ok.
come back dans le range. 10 pips. Oups.
Nice. Very
C'est
nice.
risqué, mais je veux dire, c'est juste. Je le try parce que à la date ça marche tout le temps, mais c'est entre 6h30 et 7h30. Les impulses après ça, je les prends sur les open des marchés. Mais...
Ben, c'est ça qui arrive quand tu trades une paire, c'est que tu finis par la connaître, tu comprends? Fait que c'est parfait, bro. Parfait, Jim. Good job.
Juste, je sais qu'il y a Jim Cameron aussi qui trade. Là,
ouais, c'est vrai.
Attention, bro, parce que ça m'a pincé une couple de fois les impulses.
Ouais, impulse, man, quand il y a moins de volume, les impulses, puis je continue de le dire, puis je le disais pour d'autres paires aussi, puis c'est la même chose, là. C'est la même idée, là. Here, hi Sasha, great call. Okay, perfect. So I answered that. Thanks for the explanation. You're welcome, Nazir. So let's see here. Did I miss another question here? What do you think about making okay, so no, that was way back. Slap that one for, yeah, way back. Nice, perfect. Okay, excellent. So we're up to date in the, all right, so guys, if you're on the stream, don't forget to give a like to the stream. Don't forget to subscribe. So next time we'll go live, you get a notification. Don't forget to activate the notification also, right? So yeah, I think that's pretty good, man. Pretty excited about that trade. Oh, I'm actually.
Thank you very much for the stream. I'm gonna go anyway.
You're welcome, man. Thank you for tuning in. You know.
You, man. Just update us on the course, man. Because can't wait, man. Can't wait.
It's there, man. It's there. The course is there. It's just everything's been uploaded. And I'm just finalizing some minor stuff. You know. Gotta make sure everything is good. I just linked my domain name to the Teachable platform, so everything is there. Every video is uploaded. I mean, everything is ready to go. It's just like some minor stuff. I need to make sure everything works great. But yeah, I should launch, hopefully, crossing fingers, to maybe do the launch in Forex Talk over beer tomorrow.
Nice. Yeah, one more thing, Sasha.
Yeah.
I think you know my IG page where I do my trades and stuff. If you DM me there, like, you know, a nice logo, something, I can advertise it there. Just keep pushing it.
Oh, thank you. Well, actually, I'm gonna do a post because I'm gonna do a contest. I'm gonna do a contest, so everyone who shares it's gonna be able to enter. But basically, I'm gonna draw. Okay, so this is you guys are the first to hear about that. Okay, so basically, everyone that subscribed to the course will have a chance to win 3 prizes. All right, so it's a free course, which is the big prize. A magic key, and 1 year free subscription to Trixie. Okay, so that's for people who sign up. But I'm also gonna do the same thing for people who doesn't sign up but actually share the post. You know, so everyone that shares it is gonna be allowed to win a free course, magic key, or 1 year subscription at Trixie. So
nice.
So I think it's pretty good, right?
Okay,
over like maybe 15. Hold on, what is it gonna? So almost $2,000 in prizes. So that's pretty good. Soon.
Toi, tu faisais du paintball, Satch?
Ben ouais.
Hey.
Ouais, ben oui. J'ai joué, écoute, j'ai joué longtemps là.
J'aimerais ça pincer Marc, on dirait.
J'ai joué longtemps, man. J'ai joué à l'international pis tout là.
Une petite boulette dans la moustache, hein?
Oh!
Look at this, GJ. What's up, GJ? Is GJ's gonna respect that 750? Should.
Ouais, c'est une zone à problème en H1, par exemple.
Ooh, what a rejection. Jesus. GEE. What's up?
Yeah, Sasha.
Yep.
Can you go on GA from there? Because I want to ask you a question. Yeah, you see, you see how you normally you could take a trade where if price reacts to this area over here, and then it creates support here, you take a buy. But you normally do it when it's like it heavily comes down here, and it heavily pushes up, so it's kind of obvious. But for something like this, where it never really reacts straight away.
Yeah.
You see, it never like here it created support and then just left.
Yeah.
But here it kind of. So that's why I wanted to ask you a question, because I wasn't really willing to take a buy here, because it kind of this where it reacted here, it didn't kind of really take off.
Yeah.
It wasn't strong enough for me. So what would you say on that?
Okay, so yeah, no, I understand what you mean, and that's something I looked at. I didn't talk about it because I didn't want people to grab that trade, to be honest. But yes, when you see something like this, you can expect price to do kind of the same thing, right? So when you're looking left, I saw this support form. After we saw price coming down, I was like, if we close under here, we're going to be looking for sell. My other option in my mind was if we create support, it can be a great buy opportunity. But the only reason why I would not have taken this one, it's because of this QP right in my face at like 745 on GA. I don't know GA as I know GJ. So I would be like probably waiting for a close above 750 and take my buy, But yeah, I think that's pretty good, because you see last time here created support, push back up, create support, push back up. So you can expect kind of the same thing here, So yeah.
And also it came into support here, and it actually was still rejecting the QP.
Yeah.
And then when that was happening, we was in that GJ. That's when we started to enter the GJ. It was a strategic buy. So I was still thinking that it was GA might be British, but I wasn't as confident.
No, exactly. That's why anyways, I was already in a GJ trade, right? So that's why. But yeah, so hope it helps. So still didn't broke previous low. So still respecting that 750. This is closing in 15 minutes on the 1 hour. So we gotta wait and see. 30-minute is, yeah, still respecting also. 15-minute, yeah. So I guess 15-minute is giving us that retest of that QP. So we gotta wait and see this next 15-minute. I think if this next 15 minutes start to break that low, there's less probability for continuation to the upside. But I think if this close bullish, it's gonna create support on a lower time frame, giving us the break retest of that QP, and we'll be ready to push back up. So yeah, boy. Yeah, so for people asking where that money goes on the super chat, from what I heard in the past in different stream, I was thinking that YouTube was keeping the money, but that's not really true. It goes to you. and you just need to decide what to do with it. You can keep it for yourself, or you can give it to charity. I personally decided to give it to shelter. So maybe once a month, or maybe once, depends how much money we get into there, but depends how many money, and maybe once a month or every 2 months or every 6 months, I don't know. I write a check, and that will come from the pack, man. So the pack will be making a difference. So that's gonna be pretty amazing. I will always be here to learn from you. Thanks. Bye. Have a nice time. Oh, thank you very much, man. Have a great day, buddy. All right. So this is what time is it? 7:48. Man, 7:48. We already ate. Everything is chill. I like it.
One of my favorite days. Favorite days.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna close the stream early because I have a lot of shit to do, and I need to make sure that ready to launch that course. So that's actually good. If I could get an hour before starting to work, I think that's pretty good. So I think I'm going to be closing the stream around 8. So 10 minutes.
Alright. Cool.
Oh, I completely forgot to Oh, yes, sir.
I just received the magic keys.
Oh, shit, that was fast.
I know, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was going to take like a month or something.
That was pretty fast, man. Holy crap.
I ordered it on, it was Friday or something like that.
Wow. That's pretty good, man. Oh, shit. Welcome to the club, man.
On un unboxing live.
Welcome to the club. Yeah, live unboxing from Zane.
Yep.
Welcome to the club, baby.
Yeah,
Ouais, guys, c'était pas de Magic Key.
yeah, at first when you talk about magic keys, I thought I didn't need it, yeah. And then I'll see when like it's so much. It looks like it's so much, makes everything so much more efficient and faster.
Oh, yeah.
Man, dude, you have no idea. You're gonna realize it's insane.
Yeah. It's so much easier, you know? So much easier.
Yeah.
Not easier, it's just like, yeah. I don't know. It makes things simple.
Close passwords if I open more than one position on manually.
Exactly. So that's pretty good, man.
Just got to learn how to use it.
Alright, so look like this. So weird. There's one on my stop. I can't move it. Why is that? So weird. All right. So let's see here. Do we have anything else coming up? Charts. Oh, we got a chart from Jim. Let's go. Karen says gold went crazy. Oh, I didn't look at gold. We didn't receive any gold chart today, I think. So, okay. So let's hear Jim. So major trend is, but this is GU. Okay, 15 minutes. So major trend is bullish. All right, makes sense. DXY is at a major support and S3 daily pivot point. Oh, I don't know pivot point, so I cannot say. Rejection of 78% FEB level on the last H1 bearish push. Okay. Market didn't create a new higher high since yesterday Asian session. Market reversed right at 139.500 QP. Fake out at the minor resistance 637.30 pattern. Nice wick fill set up for sell. Okay, so let's see here. Okay. The only thing though with this is, I mean, you took your entry like kind of here and you have a support kind of right here. So I'm pretty sure this is not like 20 pips, you know? So you got to be very, very, very careful with those because at this time, there's not a lot of volume. So it was actually good that it went your way and actually broke that support. But personally, I would not have taken this because it's way too small of a range. And there's less probability for price to actually break at this time. But that's actually good. Donc, principalement, la raison pourquoi j'aurais pas pris ce trade-là, personnellement, c'est que ton entrée ici, ou ici, excuse, est très très proche du prochain support. Donc, tu n'as pratiquement pas de place pour le prix pour bouger. Puis à cette heure-là, le volume, il n'est pas tellement là. Donc, une entrée impulsive en plus à cette heure-là, c'est très 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 risqué. C'est vraiment bon, ça a marché. Puis félicitations, Jim, super. Mais s'il y a une chose que j'aurais à mettre dans ton journal, puis faire attention la prochaine fois, c'est d'avoir plus d'espace. Parce que plus souvent qu'autrement, si tu n'as pas assez d'espace, le trade va frapper ça, puis il va rebondir vers le haut 2-3 fois avant de peut-être briser ce support-là. Donc, c'est peut-être la seule chose que je te dirais de garder en tête.
Oui, BE par exemple, c'était, je pense, 4.5 pips ou 5 pips, j'ai BE tout de suite parce que justement, il y avait ce trafic-là.
Ah, il l'a mis à BE tout de suite?
Oh, ouais, dès que ça atteint le support que tu as dit, je l'ai mis à BE. Mais ce qui est chiant, c'est que d'habitude, je prends mon entrée avant ça. J'ai monté une pips justement dans cette zone-là de support. Sauf que là, je sais pas, j'étais genre. Je voyais toutes les GBP des autres paires bouger vers le haut. J'étais comme plus sûr, on dirait, de mon avis. Mais là, je l'ai pris pareil, là, mais un petit peu late. C'est ça, je vais me laisser marquer, justement.
Ouais, je ferai attention à ça. Mais parce que tu sais, t'as quand même ton. Ouais, c'est ça, ton major trend est bullish, tes counter trend. Tu sais, t'avais quand même beaucoup de choses qui étaient contre toi, là. Tu sais, mettons, tu parles de probabilité, là. T'avais beaucoup de choses qui étaient contre. T'avais le range qui était contre toi. T'avais le fait que t'étais counter trend. Tu sais, je sais que t'avais des choses qui étaient pour toi aussi. Mais t'avais quand même beaucoup de choses qui étaient comme. Pas sûr, tu sais. Fait que. Mais, man, good job. Good job. Let's see here. So it looks like we're gonna close in 3 minutes, and price is still respecting that QP. Let's take a look at 1 hour. So 1 hour looks like it's gonna be closing bullish.
Une autre chose là, je sais pas s'il y en a qui trade GU avec le setup que je viens de dire. Là, si vous remarquez ça, essayez pas d'avoir des stops trop gourmands parce que je veux dire, dès que ça revient en haut de la résistance, c'est fini. Là, le setup qui est plus bon.
Ah non, ça c'est.
Espérez pas plus. Là. Je veux dire, c'est coté rapidement.
Ah, c'est vraiment un quick scalp.
4.5 pips de stop. Puis, je veux dire, dire, si ça revenait 2 pips à l'envers, genre,
Tu l'aurais fermé.
au-dessus de la résistance, c'est fini. Là.
Ouais,
C'est
ouais.
le setup qui est plus valide. Là.
Exact.
Donc, ouais, faites attention à ça aussi.
So,
De toute façon, oh non, mais vas-y.
Non, vas-y.
Sorry. Ben, j'allais dire, quand c'est loss rapidement, c'est ça qui me fait gagner le plus d'argent.
Ah ouais, non, ça c'est sûr. Ah ouais, absolument. Good job, man. Puis, so this zone is brought to you by Mark the Stash. So thank you for that sponsorship here. So Mark is pointing that we're having issues here because of this zone here.
Yeah.
And it makes sense.
Check gold for a second.
I didn't put a zone here, and the reason why is because I had my QP kind of right here, but I mean, I hope that people at this stage understand that we actually reach, and that's why people were asking why one of my full TP was right here. It's because of that, you know, just like it was because of that minor resistance. My second full TP is at the wick field right here, and my third full TP is right over here. So I deleted the first one because it got reached, and yes. Let's see here.
Check gold, Sash.
Oh, check gold. All right, let's
Look at gold.
take a look at gold. Yo, what's up? What's up, gold? So,
Like, wow.
what the hell? So actually, this was the zone. This was the zone. Broke.
Look at Impulse 2 at the 7:30 when it broke the previous field. Oh yeah, not surprised you're going at that though. Not surprised one bit.
Yes, Sasha.
Yes.
I managed to take 30 pips of this move actually.
Ooh,
It was very quick.
that was good, man. That's a pretty nice sell, man. Holy crap. So yeah, so here on the 5 minutes, actually perfect. Because you got that break, retest, and you can enter on the break right here. So that would be my entry. Personally, me, trading it, I would have waited for the break and retest on the 5 minute on gold. That makes sense. Totally makes sense. And how many pips is that from that break? Let's say this to there. Oh shit. That's 91 pip. Whoa. Gold is crazy, man. Gold is so wild. Whew.
On that note, Sasha, I gotta go.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be closing the stream now. So I'm gonna close early. I think we ate early, so which is good. I mean, hopefully, guys, if you grab that move, your stops at break even and maybe in profit. Make sure that you're not over trading. So if you grab one win, just close your MT4 and walk away. You know, go do something. Like personally, I'm gonna go train a little bit. It's been a couple weeks. I stopped training and now I need to get back at it. And yeah, man, I want to make sure the course is ready. So I'm gonna spend that 1 hour before starting to work into some good stuff. So I wish you do the same. And like I said, don't overtrade. So if you grab your win, close MT4 right now. Okay, so let it go. Actually, if you have a runner running, don't close MT4 because your PTP, I learned that the hard way. Your PTP and I think stop loss and TP stays, but partial TPs, when you close MT4, disappear. So be careful.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, be careful on that. Yeah, be careful on that because I did that one night. And man, it went to my partial TP, but never went to it because it was closed, right? And actually went and hit my stop loss. So I was like, God damn. So I learned the hard way. So alright guys, so thank you very much for tuning in. I see you Wednesday night at Forex Talk Over Beer. So again, if you didn't give a like to the stream, do so now. Don't forget to subscribe. Donc, merci beaucoup d'avoir été parmi nous aujourd'hui. Je vous revois demain à Forex Talk Over Beer. Et si vous n'avez pas donné un like au stream, faites-le maintenant. N'oubliez pas de vous inscrire pour savoir quand est-ce la prochaine fois qu'on va live. Sur ce, merci beaucoup d'avoir été présent, puis on se revoit très prochainement. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.
Bonne journée.
Peace, boys.
Bye bye, bye bye.